Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Dias Paul and thank you so much for all your likes, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. If you're a new viewer, then go to my channel and watch all the videos, and if you're liking my videos, then you can hit that subscribe button to be a part of this big number one family. And for the ones who want additional services or personal training from me, you can WhatsApp to 7892652481 is our customer care number. Only WhatsApp is available. And for the ones who wants to open an account in Zerodha or Upstock, trading accounts or demat accounts, you can click the link in video description, or else in about section you have the link. Click that and open your accounts. There are offers going on in Upstocks now also, so you can cross check with my latest videos of Upstock and then open your account. So you'll be added to my secret Telegram channels for the ones who are opening. So without wasting time, let's start off with today's topic. Alright, so today's topic is more about the technical analysis part which we were learning already. So if you have not yet watched our old videos, then go to our previous video or just go to our playlist and then you can check on technical analysis videos which I have already uploaded. Alright, so now support and resistance. So most of you guys would have heard about this word support and resistance, most of the cases. So basically these terms are being used in technical analysis. Okay, so you know fundamental analysis is there, technical analysis is there. So this is a concept used in technical analysis. So these technical analysts use this in very much on a day-to-day basis to pick up a trade or to understand what's happening to a trade and what happens to a trade. So they try to predict with these informations too. Now let's go and discuss on the logics. Whatever I know, I will share with you guys. Alright, so first let's discuss what is support. Okay, now basically in my simple terms, I'm just mentioning it as support is nothing but something like helping or something is holding. So imagine the price is going to fall and it reverses from here. Again it gets a support here, again it gets a support here. So this acts like a support for this particular trend or this particular stock. Okay, so now people draw trend lines or they calculate based on different informations of pivot, they calculate the support. So now this acts like a support when a stock is falling. Okay, so basically when you are falling or somebody is helping you or holding you, that's what we basically use it. So just to keep you in a simple terms, because a lot of beginners who don't know anything about this, we will discuss. So keep in mind support is something like helping you or holding you, so which comes in the below level. Same way resistance. So resistance is something like opposing or blocking you. Somebody is blocking you, somebody is not allowing you to go. Same way the stock price is going up, hitting here, reversing again back, again it hits the resistance and reverse down. In this case it is like a double top. Okay, but this is a resistance line where the prices are being pushed down, reversed, right? So it reversed from here. So something is opposing you here, not allowing you to go further. So that is a simple meaning of this resistance. So if you remember this, opposing and blocking is your resistance. Same way something which is helping you or holding you is nothing but your support. Okay, so remember this is basic. So it's a simple explanation which I am giving you. All right. So now what happens at these support and resistance? So before that, let's go to one of our any chart. Let's say kite. In kite, I'm just going to Nifty 50 chart. So this is a Nifty 50 chart. Let's put 1 day and okay. So this is how the Nifty 50 chart looks like. Now if you see a 1 day candle example, so you see here you're getting a support. Let me draw this. You see here. So somewhere it is touching here and then it went up. So this one is acting like a support here. Same way if you see here, this is a resistance. If it hits here, it came down. Okay, later on this acted like a resistance. 2-3 days if you see, it is touching and coming down. All right, so now let's say this is the resistance, this is the resistance, and see this resistance is still continuing here. Okay, so this is a resistance where it has touched and again came down. Now again today it is traded at that area, it is paused over here. So what happens at these areas, the support and resistance, what happens? All right, so what happens when the stock goes near this point, support or resistance? Okay, it will either pause. When I say pause, see these are the lines, it can come and go sideways like this. Okay, or either it can reversal. So what happens, it will come like this, it touches and reverses like how I showed you. Breakout is nothing but it comes and breaks out. Okay, so this is nothing but breakout. So three things happen: either it goes sideways by touching it, touching it goes side, or reversal, it will come and touch and bounce back. Same way for upside, it will touch and bounce back. Same for breakout, for it will either come and it will break and go the resistance. So it's called breakout. So three things you can observe in this support and resistance as per my experience. So same way, either see, now this is the, let me draw. So this area is acting like a resistance, and here also is a resistance. So it's like a resistance zone. So if you see, it came and touched, it is paused, it traded here, again it traded the same day there, but it couldn't break. Okay, then later reversal happened, again it is going, now it has paused near the resistance. Okay, now either it, if breakout happens, okay, what happens when breakout happens of resistance, we are expecting it to move towards at least next resistance, okay, somewhere here. That is the high of Nifty 50. So that's how people calculate one way of resistance and support, by drawing these trend lines and all that. But it's not just always straight, it can go sideways also. Either it can go like this, it can go like this. It depends on the person who's analyzing the analyst. Or else they use pivot points also. You know, you would have seen pivots, points, indicators. Based on that also you get resistance, supports and resistance. So how are they calculated? Like I told you, there are various ways how they calculate. Either draw lines, trend lines like how I showed you, and then create a support and resistance. Okay, based on that you can calculate. Or else a lot of people use pivot points. If you apply that indicator only, you get certain levels like this. So it breaks. So we're expecting it to break and go these levels or reverse from that levels. So that is a big topic. It's not so easy like how we are seeing what we learned here, support and resistance. Different people calculate it in a different way. So we will discuss that in a different video, because that is a different topic. We will definitely make a video on that some other day. But as it's a beginner's video, a lot of people don't even know what is support and resistance. So this is the meaning of the support and resistance. And how do we calculate? There are various ways, and how we interpret is also different on different ways. So therefore, let's concentrate only on this. And now, for what do they use this more? Okay, short term or intraday or long term. So as per my experience, I'll tell you, different people have different experience. So I would say this technical analysis or the support and resistance is used major for short term trading or swing trading. That is, you buy today and sell it tomorrow, day after 1 month, 2 months, within a year you sell it. So swing trading, based on these swing trading, they will find the support, resistance, buy, sell, all that they will do. And 100% they use technical analysis for short term basis. Yes, intraday they use this technical analysis. Okay, that is your support and resistance. But sometimes you see the resistance is there, it is broken. Sometimes it comes down and it fails also because of people's psychology. Like I always tell you, in intraday, a lot of people don't know about technical analysis and all those terms. So they just do blindly. They will do buy and sell. So what happens is stock can either break and go those levels. So technical analysis will fail most of the time. But yes, still people use these levels just to get a confirmation. So 50% I would say is being used for intraday trading. Long term, if you're doing a long term trading or investment that is more than 1 year or 2 years, 10 years like that, you cannot go just by technical analysis, because see, a stock, if you have to take a stock, you have to see the company performance. So fundamental analysis will come into picture for long term. So based on the company performance, if company is performing good, imagine a stock is falling, okay, and they will see what is the fundamentals of the company. Everything is good, there is some news because of something happened to some person in the management, the stock fell, but the company is performing good. Now it's time for me to invest in the stock. Where do I invest? I apply 20% of my technical skills. When it comes down, when there is a support there, when a lot of people are buying here, I will also buy. Later, when it takes a support and goes up here, when it takes a support, I try to buy in this area. So like that, a lot of people take their positions by this technical analysis. So I mentioned 20%, but most of them is by, major decision is by fundamental analysis. If the stock is good, only you buy a stock which is 1,000 rupees, expecting it to go 5,000 rupees after a few years or maybe 10 years. Okay, the company should perform good. If not, if you apply just technical analysis, the stock will go up like this, it will come down, go up, come down, it will be in the same area only sometime. But people would have done short-term trading, would have booked their profits here, 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 here. they would have been done. Person who has invested will be in the same level after 10 years. Whatever you invested, either same money or it have gone down if the company is performing bad. All right, so that was more about this support and resistance. Hope this was a add-on to your knowledge of technical analysis. If you like this video and this knowledge was simple and easy for beginners, then hit that like button and also subscribe for my upcoming videos. We do live trading videos, we do learning videos, technical analysis and advices and all those videos. So hit that subscribe button to be seeing my next videos. So thank you so much for all your love and support. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.